Hey guys, what is up? RubiksLife here. Today I was going through my bag of cubes and I stumbled across this cube. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's like an offset 3x3. So I noticed before I scrambled it that it looked like they took a regular 3x3 like this, and instead of cutting it like this, they took it sideways and cut it like that. Because whenever I'm looking at this, it's like these are the centerpiece or my edge pieces, and then these are corner pieces, and I thought this would be very interesting for me to learn how to solve on camera. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and just walk through this with me. If you guys know the name of this puzzle, please let me know in the comments down below. That would be greatly appreciated, because I'm not exactly sure what this is called. So I'm going to be calling it the offset 3x3 because I feel like it's offset just a little bit. But I did find that, and I also found a square one in there, so I'm going to be trying to learn how to solve that. And once I do, I'm going to make a video on how to solve it, or just videos of me solving it if you guys like to see that. So I think the first thing that I need to do is just jump straight on into this. So I'm going to solve white side, and I see that this is the center, and these two pieces are green, so this is like the green side. Now, it's like I'm solving it offset, but the colors are still on the right side. So I feel like I need to get my cross pieces in, and then I'll do my corners, which are these pieces. So what I need to do is, I think, move this piece here. So I'm going to turn this up, but I don't understand because this piece right here matches here and these don't. So I think that is in the correct spot, but these ones aren't. So I need to like turn it so like that. See how now the reds are matched up and my greens are matched up, but this piece, this other center piece, is matched up. It's weird because, no, I think that's a corner piece. This is it right here. It looks like this is missing a sticker, which kind of sucks. Or maybe a piece covers over that. I think that's what that is, because this looks like this piece would be covering, because some of the stickers are really small like this one, so I believe that some of the pieces cover up. Okay, so this is the edge piece and this is my corner piece. So I'm just gonna try to do like regular like F2L kind of algorithm things, if I can get this thing to turn like that. And then can I just turn it? Yeah, okay, cool. So that's what that is. So I think, sorry. Okay, so I think that it's just they cut it differently. So this is the centers and edges, and this is the corners. So I need to also solve, I need to find my other one. So this is orange, this is orange. I don't know how this is supposed to line up. So I'm gonna just try it this way, see if that works. Awesome, yeah, okay. And then this needs to go on this side. So I'm gonna turn this up, over, and in. And there we go. Okay, cool. So I've got 2 layers. I think I'm getting the hang of this puzzle. I just thought this was very interesting and just wanted to show you guys that I had this. Okay, so there's the white. I couldn't find that. And here's red. But do I turn it? Yeah, turn it into place and put it back. There's the red. Okay, the final white is here with this one. I need to bring it like that, and then can I line it up? No, so this will be the one where I need to move it over, out of the way, and then line this up like that. There we go. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's just kind of me mumbling to myself, but I figured this would be an interesting thing. So this looks like the bar, so I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe, there we go. Oh wait, that gave me L. I did that wrong. Like that. And then this is bar. This is just very awkward to hold and hard to do algorithms with. Okay, so there's that. So this is one corner on top, and I've got 3 corners down. So this is like soon, I believe. But is that facing me or is that away? I think that's away. So I'm gonna go like that. Does that work? It does. Cool. So now I've got all the yellow on top. But now I've got to recognize that these are corners, so I need corners to line up. Corners. Let me just do a T-perm. Like that. There we go. Okay, so I've got all my corners lined up, but now I gotta do, here, let me set it up on, no, it'd be like this. That's what I have right now. Yeah, that wasn't even close. Okay, so I've got it back to here now. My red sticker is falling off, which is unfortunate. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try doing this. That should give me something, right? That gives me that, which is, so these two are swapped, these two are swapped, which means these are correct. So I can go like that, and then that gives me the same thing as before, where it needs to go clockwise. So this, that. Whoa, what? Whoa. Now I'm confused. Okay, so I've got, these are center caps, right? Yeah. So I wonder if that means I can just do this, but I wonder if that means I actually have to solve it like, oh, that's weird. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. Like that. And then I've got my corners in place. So now it's just edges, so to be like that. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know what to do. Okay, so if you guys know what to do and how to fix this, where my edge pieces are crooked and they're the backwards, please let me know in the comments down below so I can actually know how to solve this with all the edge pieces oriented the correct way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, just me trying to learn how to solve this random shape mod for a 3x3. Please let me know what it's called down below, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!